It's time to make the great outdoors even greater. You've probably heard the term outdoor living. It's when you create a space for kicking back in the backyard, kind of like bringing the inside out. It's a trend made popular by the staycation and made essential by, well, 2020, the world's longest staycation. In true Fortress fashion, we couldn't leave well enough alone. We took outdoor living to the next level and created a brand new category that represents our rebel spirit. It's called Outdurable living. What does it mean? Well, three things. Numero uno. When you are the rebel upstart in the industry, you push boundaries and do things to new extremes. In our case, we outdo the wannabes by refusing to settle. We deliver revolutionary products built for the outside by a bunch of outsiders. Number two, we put the duh in durable. Obviously, you want an outdoor space that will last. All our products are rock solid, backed by industry-leading warranties, and proven to stand up against anything Mother Nature throws at them. And number three, Fortress embraces life. We support all that you do as you enjoy the many remarkable ways you are living. Whether it's skydiving, cliff jumping, or hot dog grilling, we want you to be you. We will give you the products to enjoy your backyard and beyond. Learn more about Outdurable living and join the revolution at fortressbp.com.